Today we're going to show you how to make a magic circle. So grabbing your yarn, you're going to have the loose end facing the bottom of your hand, and then holding it down with your thumb, you're going to grab your working yarn and wrap it around your fingers, creating an X on the front. So you can see that we've got an X, and now if we flip our hands over to the back, we have two straight lines. Now we're going to grab our hook and slip it under the first piece of yarn from right to left and grab the second piece of yarn, and then we're going to pull it underneath and now turn our hook, securing that yarn around the hook. So I'll show you again. So turn your hook, and now we're going to collect that piece of yarn in the top left hand corner with our hook and slide it through the loop that we've just made on our hook. And there you have it. So let's have a look at that again. So with your loose end, you're going to place that at the bottom of your hand and then hold on to it with your thumb. And then with our working yarn, we're going to wrap it around the back of our hand twice, creating an X on the front side of our hand, and then secure it with your pinky finger. So when we turn our hand over, we have two straight lines. And now it's time to grab our hook. So slip your hook under that first piece of yarn and grab the second piece of yarn and pull it underneath. And now we twist our hook to secure the yarn onto our hook. And then slide your hook up a little bit so that you've got a bit of room to play with. And now we're going to grab that top left-hand piece of yarn. And now pull that yarn through the loop on our hook. I find that turning my hand over can make it a little bit easier, as it gives me a little bit more room. And there you have it. You have created a magic circle. So if you pull your loose tail of yarn, you'll be able to adjust the size of your circle.